Hey everyone, I'm Kayla Rodriguez, one of your vice presidents with the Women in STEM Club at Point Loma High School, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a baking soda volcano. And if you have a cute little setup, it sure would look a lot cooler, but I only have a cup and the ingredients you need to make this happen. So yeah. So first we're going to take our paper towel and place that down on our working space so that we can make this as least messy as possible. So then we take our cup after that and place it onto the paper towel, and then we're going to fill it up halfway with some vinegar. I have distilled white vinegar, so we fill that up halfway. And then after that we take baking soda, and if you have food coloring, I recommend putting like a drop of food coloring because it makes it look a lot cooler, but I don't have any. We're going to take a tablespoon of baking soda, and then we're going to drop that into the vinegar, and there you have your chemical reaction, which is a little volcano. Pretty darn cool. I hope you enjoyed today's experiment. Please give it a try at home because it's really, really fun, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!